private space exploration company based out of the Netherlands has announced plans for the first manned spaceflight to Mars. The mission will be a one-way flight to our second closest and most hospitable neighbor, with the goal being to colonize the planet and mine it for its resources, along with the possibility of terraforming, a process which would produce a suitable atmosphere and habitat for human life. The entire project, including research and development, travel expenses, and everything necessary to keep the colonists alive on Mars for the rest of their natural lives, is estimated to cost upwards of $30 billion. In order to help cover these vast costs, MTV is chipping in with the hopes of creating a reality show out of the endeavor. The mission is still in its earliest stages. With a project launch date of sometime in the year 2024, the team of scientists working on this effort still has a long way to go. Before the 24 colonists embark upon their trip to the Red Planet, several unmanned rovers will be sent to determine a suitable location for the settlement, and satellites will be put into orbit around Mars for scientific purposes. The colonists have not yet been selected, but the Dutch company in charge of the mission recently announced that they have narrowed down the pool of applicants from over 2,000 to just 100 candidates. Apparently, there are that many people on Earth who hate their lives so much that they want to get as far away from their home planet as possible before kicking the bucket. Incidentally, a team of independent third-party researchers estimated that the first colonist death would occur approximately 68 days after landing on Mars, with the rest following soon after. Despite the odds, however, 12 men and 12 women will still try to colonize the planet, which of course means reproduction, which guarantees that there will be plenty of good old-fashioned porking. Due to the extreme nature of this project, the group of colonists consists primarily of astronauts, engineers, doctors, and scientists, and the candidates were selected based on their qualifications rather than on any physical traits such as attractiveness. However, in order to ensure higher ratings for their reality show, MTV hired a pair of Swedish supermodels to accompany the colonists, which should also help to ensure they are able to get the colonists to successfully mate. Also hired were internet prankster Dan Ricky Ticky and socialite drama queen Felicia Figueroa. One of the many challenges of this mission will be to develop a means to transport enough food to keep the colonists fed for possibly decades to come. If you ask me, they should just bring plenty of canned vegetables because those things last forever. I've had the same can in my pantry since 1983.